making the wrong sounds. How did this happen? Sorry, Dinos. Hey y'all, welcome to my farm. First we're gonna feed the animals. Come on. The animals are so hungry. I need to get some food for my animals. They're real hungry. Okay. Hey, can I have the whole bucket? Okay. Will love all this. Thank you. Thank you. Here, Chicky. Enjoy. Hi, Alex. Hey. Uh-oh. Now we'll feed the pigs. Let's clean our farm a little bit. This is hard work. Oh no, the animals are making the wrong sounds. How did this happen? That's not a chicken sound. Huh? What? Something's wrong here. Pigs aren't making the right sound either. I think I gave them the wrong food. No wonder they're acting so weird. Here, Chicky. Now we've got the right food for you. Here you go. Here you go, Piggy Wiggies. Here's the food for you. go, doggy. Here's the right food sheet. Always fix your mistake.